America. People arrived from many lands, bringing their own language and song. This collision of cultures sparked fresh sounds and innovations. New forms of music like blues and jazz were born, and a creative revolution was ignited. MacGillivray Freeman Films invites you on a journey with singer-songwriter Aloe Blacc as he traces the roots of America's music and explores the musical cities where it all began. Join us on an adventure into the foot-stomping, trailblazing musical heritage of America.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself.
And explore the sounds and spirit that bring us together. America's Musical Journey, a film for IMAX and giant screen theaters.